Everybody, we just got back from racing a Porsche Turbo at the track. I had the opportunity to see a 992 Turbo S Coupe that was tuned by Hydra Motorwerks make a few passes. The question is now, do we get a 992 Turbo S? We want you all to answer the question. The 991 that we have is a 2018 model, 991 Generation 2. It's tuned by Champion Motorsports, makes about 620, 630 wheel. It was rated at 580 horsepower from the factory. The new 992 Turbo S is rated at 650 horsepower from the factory, so about 70 over the 991 Gen 2. When it's tuned, you'll see the results in this video. At the end of the video, let us know what you think. Should we keep our 991 Generation 2 Turbo S and put bigger turbos on it, or should we get a 992 Turbo S? Swinging price is about 70,000 bucks. Let us know what you think. Also, if you like the videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Thanks again. 2021 Porsche 992 Turbo S. It's got a tune, stock tires, stock exhaust, stock everything except the tune. Now, let's see how it runs today. Should we keep our 991 Generation 2 Turbo S and put bigger turbos on it, or should we get a 992 Turbo S? Swinging price is about 70,000 bucks. Let us know what you think.